What is product discovery? Welcome to our video on product discovery. We will explore the critical process of product discovery, its importance, the step-by-step approach, practical examples, various use cases, and the tools that can aid you along the way. Let's start off with some real-life examples of how product discovery unfolded for some iconic companies. 1. Netflix. Problem identification. Netflix initially operated as a DVD rental service. They observed that customers disliked late fees and the inconvenience of returning DVDs. Market research. They researched consumer preferences and streaming technology. Ideation. This led to the idea of a streaming service. Prioritization. Netflix prioritized licensing content and developing a seamless streaming platform. User feedback. User ratings and viewing habits helped Netflix recommend personalized content. Prototyping. The platform evolved from its early version to the user-friendly interface we know today. Testing. Netflix continuously A/B tests features and content recommendations. 2. Uber. Problem identification. Uber founders identified issues with traditional taxi services, unreliable availability, and payment hassles. Market research. They studied urban transportation and mobility trends. Ideation. Uber was conceived as a mobile app connecting riders and drivers. Prioritization. Ensuring a frictionless payment system and driver onboarding was a priority. User feedback. Ratings and reviews allowed users to provide feedback. Prototyping. The initial app was a basic version, evolving into a feature-rich platform. Testing. Uber pilots new features in select markets and gathers feedback. 3. Spotify. Problem identification. Music piracy was prevalent, and accessing music legally was cumbersome. Market research. Spotify assessed the music industry's challenges. Ideation. The idea was to create a platform for streaming music legally. Prioritization. Licensing agreements with record labels and an intuitive interface were key priorities. User feedback. Spotify introduced playlist creation and collaborative playlists based on user input. Prototyping. The initial version was a music player, evolving into a full-fledged streaming service. Testing. User data and feedback continually shape Spotify's features. Understanding product discovery. So what is product discovery and why does it matter? Think of it as the compass guiding your product journey. Imagine you're a company looking to create a groundbreaking product. For instance, take the case of Apple. When they were developing the iPhone, they identified a problem. Smartphones were bulky and had limited functionality. Their product discovery process led them to create a sleek, multifunctional device that revolutionized the industry. The stages of product discovery. Product discovery can be divided into different phases. 1. Problem identification. This is where it all begins. Identify a problem worth solving. Tools like user surveys, customer interviews, and analytics platforms can help you understand pain points. 2. Market research. Investigate your target market and competition. Tools such as Google Trends, SEMrush, and industry reports provide valuable insights. 3. Ideation. Brainstorm potential solutions. Whiteboard sessions, mind mapping tools, or ideation platforms like Miro can foster creativity. 4. Prioritization. Not all ideas are equal. Use techniques like the Moscow method or tools like Trello or Asana to prioritize features. 5. User feedback. Engage early users through surveys or feedback forms. Tools like user testing or Hotjar can provide valuable insights. 6. Prototyping. Create a basic version of your product. Tools like Figma, Sketch, or even paper sketches help visualize concepts. 7. Testing. Put your prototype in front of users. Usability testing tools like Optimal Workshop or remote user testing platforms like Maze can streamline this phase. Example: consider the success of Slack. Slack started as a gaming company called Tiny Speck. When their game failed to gain traction, they applied the product discovery process. They identified a problem in team communication, conducted market research, and ideated a new tool. Prioritizing features, they developed a prototype, tested it, and eventually launched Slack, now a widely used team collaboration tool. Tools used in product discovery. Let's explore the tools that can assist you throughout the product discovery journey. User interviews. Tools like Zoom, Skype, or dedicated user research platforms facilitate remote interviews. Analytics. Google Analytics, Mixpanel, and Hotjar provide data-driven insights into user behavior. Prototyping. Figma, Sketch, or InVision enable rapid prototyping and collaboration. User testing. User testing, Maze, and Look Back help gather user feedback efficiently. Project management. Asana, Trello, or Jira assist in task management and team coordination. Market research. SEMrush, Google Trends, and industry-specific databases aid in market analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, product discovery is like a compass, steering you in the right direction. By learning from Apple, Airbnb, Slack, and utilizing the right tools, you see how this process can lead to groundbreaking products. To delve deeper, explore advanced product discovery techniques and master these tools. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. If you liked the tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials on product development.